Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's just unpack on Usenzo Meyiwa. Someone wrote in the comments, now we're going to do like a few comments and just talking about stuff that has been happening. Someone is just saying in the comments, they need to apologize to South Africans for lying. I agree. And NPA ithule ayikho into yenza, but NPA knows very well ukuthi Senzo Meyiwa's case is not right. Why are they lying now? You understand that we can't trust them anymore. And as it is now, they are being questioned also around Omotoso's case. Not take a just business up. Stop blame because we are like they were there most. And we are sure even now Usfiso Meyiwa, no, they failed us. They have Ukininda actually failed me. Usfiso Meyiwa, the way I trusted him. Because he didn't know ukuthi uzobeshintshana nezinto entshontshelana nestatement esikahlophe usibari wakhe, and then jiki sesikhona futhi statement. He's like, and he's never taken that statement. Let's say isikhuluma vele ngo-375 ukuthi uSenzo was actually deleted by one of the people that were in the house. At some stage you're gonna need apologies because people are busy lying to us, although those apologies are not really going to do anything. And I'm asking myself, if you are studying law, right, you are serving, you're in the police force, you're working for the government, please stop. Ubaloyi uyena prevent ukuthi uKelly aboshwe, and leyo nto iyamfrustrate uGininda to a point where he doesn't know what he's talking about sometimes, because he keeps on saying he's the mastermind, and then he's asked him, has asked him, okay, so if he is the mastermind, then when is he going to be arrested? Why didn't you arrest her again? If she was the one who was actually premeditating this, even talking to people on the 15th, ngoba phela ngithi it is said why ikhuluma no accused number 5 on the 15th of October already. I-blow proof. Uyayibona leyo nto le, hayi guys, sasikudlaliwe ngathi abona kule case sike senziwa opopayi in another level you've never seen. Guys, let's touch base on what happened, especially when uRamasipili was given a chance now to just ask Mr. Sambo, Mr. Sambo namanga akhe, the administrator at LPC. But now it's usuke sebriefiwe, guys. He's not really, he doesn't want this for his life at the end of the day. Like I said, buka manje your reputation izoba kanjani wena njengoba ubhizi uzoqhama manga ngontokozo mjiyako and all of those things that you were saying there. And I even said untokozo mjiyako, why is he not coming to save his reputation, whatever is left of it, you know? The flowers this week, they go to Ramasipili. Ramasipili did really well this week after now he was dragged on Twitter. He didn't stand up properly for or represent him or accused number 2. Yeah, so ubaloyika lethu Sambo ke ngathi ene uyidlozi ulo fanele akhulunyelwe ubrothers lo yana lo abathi untokozo mjiyako uadvocate. That's how we must address him. So Sipho Ramasipili, attorney actually, Sipho Ramasipili says, Yazi, let me tell you something, Tina, we've never said ukutagayoni advocate ubhuti. Please hear me properly la. But asikazi sikusho lokho etshela uSambo. Athi attorney Ramasipili, the instructions mina that were given to me by the late Mngomezulu, may his soul rest in peace. Those were his words. Attorney Sipho Ramasipili. And accused number 2 Bongani Ntanzi, where they've never instructed him to come and represent accused number 2. As per advocate Mjiyako, when he said, your family is the one that sent me ejele Bongani Ntanzi ngeke ngikwazi mina, I wouldn't have brought you here. You know why Ubaloyi keeps on closing gaps around indaba advocating Mjiyako? It's because advocacy Mjiyako uqala ukwaletha iletha yakhe ukusho ukuthi hayi no ngosibanibani with my practice in Dunkeld there next to Hyde Park ngobani like I told you guys. Manje sekukuthi hayi no LPC actually will clear Mjiyako up. But my thing is that they're not clearing him. They're actually making things worse, guys. They're not helping this guy. Like I said, ukuthi manje buku reputation yakhe injani. Why angazavi lathi no apha Mr. Sandlet actually mina ngikathele. umjiyako noKininda. In fact, mina I was sent by Kininda to represent accused number 2. It's not coming out ukuthi who sent umjiyako. It's not. Ngoba ubaloyi wazi kahle ukuthi ubani. So how is LPC going to help umjiyako or clear his name? Ngoba it's actually have made things worse for him. They just tarnishing this guy's name. They're not helping the guy. And usebenza nabo this guy. I'm just like, ubaloyi, why is he doing this? Ngoba umuntu wabo yena nomjiyako uDominic wangamkhulumeli. Or actually Dominic ukuthi ay baba nawe is a manje. And just stand up for yourself and be like, guy, this is who sent me. Because honestly, guys, uyisasa lawyer or should I say an advocate Undanzi. Kantanze, they've never sent Undanzi anyone to come and represent him until as I ayixoshelwe ngizoyibeka kanjalo ayixoshelwe uSipho Ramusipile. And nini uSambo futhi usethi nga receive email from umjiyako. Guys, why are you receiving emails about FFC numbers, fund fidelity numbers? Wona ungena lapho. Hi guys, umjiyako baphile impilo guys. Crazy lives. Why did he agree to come and see or represent accused number 2? And I'm still saying again, uthi uSfiso Meyiwa, I was there when you rocked up that guy. I was sitting in court. I'm here to represent accused number 2. Accused number 2. You know? Guys, isibuzo uthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi one person issuele 2 FFC numbers? Uyabona guys ukuthi nobugebengu even kunilento kalo. Other things are coming out and when you thinking khonto ivalayo. Ubaloyi yabona ngokuletha Mr. Sambo. I messed up big time there. Yabona ukubona uyivulele umgodi uzifake wena. And then you can't come out. Who are you gonna call to come out? I'm just like, ubaloyi guys is such a slow coach. Like who even does intenjalo to themselves? When you're just trying to mend things, but already you are out, like I said, izinqazemfene. They are outside. Already vele zinjalo izinqazemfene. So baloyi indaba zakhe nazi kanjalo. You can't even, I wasn't ukuzivala lezi zinqazemfene. They always like moving around ziphandle. Amahlathi amphelele ubaloyi, but ubaloyi is always trying to come out. Like I said last week ukuthi ubaloyi is the type of person noma usubeka concrete ngoba isamanzi unalento ukuthi because I'm inside I can come out. No, you can't come out. You are done. Yo ubaloyi guys. Attorney Ramusipile says the person who's doing certificates at FFC must come. I'm just like, no guys. Baningi abantu abalethiwe la. Baqale baletha the half of police force. Now kuza abantu basa FFC, kuza LPC. It's like so crazy guys. Ubaloyi shouldn't have started this LPC. And also ubaloyi bebuzoba ngumjiyako. Ngoba sesimkhohle umjiyako bese we actually had to let this thing slide. Uyasqala futhi uyaskupa. Ubaloyi, you started us again. Like why would you do that to yourself? Buka manje ukuthi kuphi. Amahlazo are coming out. Amangakho. There's some things guys, just leave them where they are. Ungalibele ugumba. Thina bese sesiphumile kumjiyako. We had actually moved on. Why are you bringing it up again? Uyabona ukuthi sifuna usibhora kahle hle and manje sizokucacisela ke thina we're gonna break it down to you like how Attorney Ramusipile had to do it. Yo, hayi ngeke. Athu Ramusipile, have you ever hired someone if they have colluded with these numbers for practitioners, amanye lawyers and attorneys and advocates? Azange azaqede wasethurathi how uzosebenzisa lelo gama. Someone has said ukuthi we colluded here. And usho uMngomezulu wangasho nje ukuthi uMngomezulu ngoba lezi uMngomezulu have said to Ratha ukuthi when now you have colluded with the state, what I will sue you. No, actually didn't even apologize for that. He was like, actually you are colluding with the state. When baba, you are colluding with the state. So besesebenza lo magama ke futhi no Ramusipile. Kodwa akazuzwe mhlambe. After he saw ukuthi nama FFC numbers are not making sure. What have you ever colluded nabanye abantu? Wathi Ramusipile, yes my lord, I will use the word. Sabanga guys. Guys, uRatha ubesefuna ukuqala vele wathi nje uRamusipile, no, I am using the word, and ngiyasikhumbula leso story sakwathi it's a story. angithi le ndaba yokuthi uMngomezulu phela baxabana ngoKholai baxabana ngendaba yokuthi uMngomezulu was like wena you are colluding with the state wena judge right. So right, I was just like yazi unamagqubu and uphethe I'm just like done akayela uMngomezulu to rest bese funa ukuqala wathi Ramasipila don't want to be involved in that story but oh it's a story guys. I was just like just leave it Ramasipila and move on ngoba lo baba uzokufraza lo. Hi, but Ramasipila and I guys are putting this guy on the spot, busy saying things like, so when I have you ever heard saying stuff like there is some colluding happening with the numbers as a FFC. Hi, guys, this guy won't answer this. I got on the spot and already who under scrutiny as it is now. You know, we just like have umuntu onjani lo uzofika because azoqamba amanga uMr Sampo ozosifaka nje endabeni engaka. Named Herman is the one who developed the system, the one that develops guys, the certificates. Hi guys, that system in amanga guys. Fanele ukuthi ba abosho umuntu develop. I mean, that's just my thing because then he's paid to do those things. But business fraud basically there. Ramasipili guys so keseme lapho kancane nathi hey guys that was it after ethole nelo magama wagijima umnisi wathatha ipeni nephepha wabhalela attorney sipho Ramasipili igama lalo ubhuti loyo bazomgijimisa uzobhizinisi uzo end up at court. These two phela they don't play and ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi they actually working as a team now. It's so crazy the team work that's going on between those two. The duo I've been looking at them since the beginning of this year. I didn't see it. I only started to see it in beginning of January. I was just like, these two are teaming up. But busy. They're sharing notes. They're sharing just about anything and everything. This is what you must say now when you get there. This is what you must do. Because I remember when Ramasipili was done and then Umnis was starting now, no Kinin. Ramasipili is the one that was telling Umnis what to do. When people were saying that, Ramasipili failed to accuse number 2. And then I was just like, our guys, but uzamile, I mean, Ramasipili. Bemdonsa ukuthi sobethi so he failed khona manje sekufika umnisi is on point with accused number 3, 4 uKininda. Yeah, so similar lapho kancane guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me in Thanda Over.